land, and it is a modern state of art. As we all can see that a lot of improvements have been done, from laboratories to canteens to hostels to different gymnasiums, and even refreshments have been given there. The Go Green tag works for it, and it's full of greenery, so it's really nice. It keeps your eyes even.
Lab, as you can see, is cool, nice. We have all sorts of up-to-date materials out here, and we get to do our things for a long time and quite more than we expect.
Laboratories over here meet all the required criteria of a perfect laboratory. Especially engineering students love working in laboratories. They find it very interesting when the laboratories in Brenwell, they have all the required instruments, and it makes it much more interesting working in laboratories.
Our labs are very good. Our labs are meeting all the international standards, and I think our lab it has all of the equipment that we need, or all of the devices that we need. It is a unique feature, even though many colleges have it, but the way we are taught things out here, I'll say I've pretty improved in my time.
Communication skills are also developed over here from different vernacular languages. The speaking skills and the listening skills, the writing skills are also developed over here.
Our faculties are very experienced, and they have came from many good institutions like Jadavpur University, Kharagpur IIT, and many more good academies.
Academies are very helpful. If any student are facing any problem, they individually clear the problem. Students and teachers are very good interaction.
কোনো টিচার না এলে বা তার অ্যাবসেন্সে অন্য কোনো মানে সাবস্টিটিউট টিচার দিয়ে ক্লাসটা করিয়ে নেওয়া হয়, সেই জন্য আমাদের কোনো অফ ক্লাস চায় না, আর সেই জন্য আমরা মানে প্রচণ্ড ওয়েল প্রিপেয়ার্ড হয়ে যাই এক্সামিনেশন। Well, the library is huge. It is very spacious. It even gives us book banking facilities. লাইব্রেরিতে আমাদের অ্যাটমসফিয়ারটা খুবই পিসফুল, এখানে মানে পড়াশোনার জন্য ভীষণই আইডিয়াল প্লেস একটা, আর সেটার জন্য আর প্রচুর বইও পাওয়া যায় এখানে, আর সবচেয়ে বড় এখানে বিভিন্ন ইন্টারন্যাশনাল জার্নালসগুলো পাবলিশ করা হয়। এরকম হোস্টেল ব্রেনওয়্যার ছাড়া অন্য কোথাও দেখিনি, কারণ এখানে সবচেয়ে বড় কথা 24 আওয়ার্স জেনারেটর আছে, আর সবসময় এটা ওয়াইফাই ক্যাম্পাস, তো আমাদের কখনো প্রোগ্রাম আপলোড করে কিছু দেখতে হলেও আমরা দেখতে পাই। Relax our minds, we have gymnasium over here, and even we get yoga classes in girls' hostel. Especially girls are given yoga classes, and we have gymnasium in the boys' hostel. So it's really quite cool. So we can relax, we can have a quality time for recreation, and it really helps us in our studies. And well, seriously, no doubt they have great medical facilities over here. We have sick room, and we have all the required medicines we need for sudden accidents or any other sort of medical.
In the forum, we can interact with the teachers personally if any difficulties are facing.
Definitely, it helps us in many ways. For example, after we have our class lectures, we sometimes require the notes to be supplied to us, and here by that facility we can upload or access that through net connection any time in the day. It makes us prepared for the interviews and to face the corporate challenges that we would be facing in our life and in our job facilities.
We can draw money from ATM whenever we want, and it is moreover, it is very useful because it is within our campus. So in case of even emergency, we can draw money, and the bank loan facility is also given. It is very useful for students who are not coming from not so well or middle class. It is very useful so that we can even repay back the loan after 4 years.
It's a great campus, and I think our sports committee here will enjoy it even.